Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adabar, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome once again guys, welcome to one more very amazing and very important session of today's class under this Prodigy series, and this class we have for ICSE 10th. Alright, and the topic we are starting a new chapter right now, which is factorization of polynomials. So if you all remember, we have already finished ratio and proportion, and we are starting factorization of polynomials now. So this is the first session in which we'll be discussing remainder and factor theorem. So two theorems. Factor theorem is very much connected to remainder theorem only. If you'll remember what is remainder theorem, factor theorem is like nothing. All right, just a simple application of that. The next session we will be talking about factorization of polynomials. So I'll tell you in detail what we are going to do in today's class. I'm really sorry for that break. Okay, so I'll tell you in detail what we are going to do in today's class, what is the chapter plan, everything. So first, once again, high five to all of you, right? I hope all of you are very well comfortable now, and let's start our studies, because this coming session, whatever questions I'm going to do, I'll be trying to cover all the types of questions which are there in your chapter, especially from these two topics. And with this session gets over, when this session will get over, I would like all of you to just practice those questions which are present in your textbooks, and just be sure that the topic is over. All right, so do try this chapter, the problem of this topics as well. All right, so those students who are new here, those who don't know me guys, my name is Gopal Paliwal. I am master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu, graduated from IIT Dhanbad, past 5 years been teaching. All right, and you can see my other credentials over here on the screen as well. All right, so first session in which we are discussing remainder theorem and factor theorem. The second session will be factorizing polynomials. So in that I'll teach you how do we do factorization and everything else. All right, ठीक है बच्चों. So by the end of this session, definitely we'll be able to solve this problem in which both remainder theorem and factor theorem are playing a part. Don't worry, the problem will become easy eventually if we'll solve all the types of problem. So let's first start from the very basic, the basic part of our today's chapter, that is remainder theorem. This is a theorem which will give you the remainder when you do the division of a polynomial. Remember, very important, when you do the division of a polynomial by another polynomial, but that another polynomial must be a linear polynomial. This must be a linear polynomial. So one condition that I'm telling you, that remainder theorem works when divisor is a linear polynomial. All right, and we have a polynomial px, obviously its degree must be greater than or equal to 1, right? Because less than, if it is, then the like remainder, if its degree is less than 1, that means 0, that means it is a constant polynomial, so that only itself is the remainder, right? Okay, so px, any polynomial divided by a divisor of degree 1. Very important thing. Now this remainder theorem only gives you remainder, it doesn't gives you quotient. So it's not like remainder and quotient theorem, it only gives you remainder. So if you want to find out the quotient, it is very important that you do the long division, the division method, normal division of polynomials, whatever will do, that will give you your quotient as well as remainder. Now why we are using this theorem? If I already can find out remainder as well as the quotient also from that division method, why am I wasting my time over this? I am studying remainder theorem because sometimes remainder is important for me. I'm not focused much on the quotient. In that cases, maybe the division method may be a long method. It may be a very lengthy method. All right. Suppose the polynomial px, the dividend, if it is of a greater degree, then it will be difficult for us to do the division. It will be a very tedious method. Whereas remainder theorem, comparatively small method, compact method, quickly you get the answer. So what do you do to get the remainder beta? If this is the case, how do you find out the remainder? It's very easy. Two steps you have to do. First step beta, your step number 1, make divisor equal to 0 and get the value of x. So if I have divisor as x minus a, make it equal to 0, you have got x equal to a. Now whatever value of x you have got at this step, in this step, it is very important, because beta the second step itself will give us the remainder, and we can say the remainder is nothing but value of the dividend. That means this polynomial dividend p of x at x equal to a. So this becomes my remainder. Alright, this becomes my remainder. Alright, now you must be thinking, how am I getting all this? So beta, its proof is very easy. We know the division algorithm, that dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Alright, so let's say I'm doing a division over here where my divisor is px. I'm dividing with this x minus a. Let's say quotient is some qx and remainder is some rx. अब देखो बेटा, I know one thing. If my divisor is of degree 1, if the divisor's degree is equal to 1, I can be pretty sure my remainder must be of degree. The degree of the remainder must be less than 1. The degree of the remainder must be less than 1. Alright, so I can say its degree must be less than 1. So in that case, the remainder, if the degree is less than 1, the next degree is what? 0. है ना? So that means the remainder can be either 0 or a constant polynomial. So remainder, when we divide by a linear polynomial, if we are dividing by a linear polynomial, I can say remainder will be a constant number. It will be a constant number, rational, irrational, anything, but it will be a constant number, because the divisor, if it is of degree 1, this divisor will be able to remove the terms which are x or greater than or higher power of x. Okay, so up to x, all the terms of x will be eliminated. We will get some quotient, and at the end we can get the remainder either as 0 or any non-zero number. So any constant number will be my remainder. So I am writing r as my remainder. Let's say r is my remainder. Now I know by division algorithm, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? Alright, now do one thing, guys. In this, put x equal to a. So I will get p of a, wherever is x, write a, is equal to x minus a. If I'll write over here a, so a minus a into q of a plus remainder, which is some constant number. So a minus a will be equal to 0. So this whole part will be gone, and we will be left with pa is equal to remainder. So that is a simple proof. No one is going to ask you, but just giving you extra knowledge. We get it from the long division method. ठीक है बच्चों? But the major part is this one. This is very important. This is very important for our remainder theorem. That first step, make divisor equal to 0. Second step, remainder will be equal to value of the polynomial or value of the dividend at the value of x, which we have got in the first step. ठीक है? Let me show you the application of that. Alright, so this long division will give you the remainder, but that directly can be done with remainder theorem. Let's look at this. Find the remainder when this is divided by x minus 1. I'll just show you the first one, and second one you can do on your own as well. Alright, so first one, x minus 1 we are dividing. So this is my divisor, and I can say divisor is a linear polynomial. So first step beta, make divisor equal to 0. I got x equal to 1. Alright. This is my polynomial px, the dividend. So I can say, sir, in second step, sir, my remainder will be equal to value of the dividend at x equal to, in the previous step I have got x equal to 1. So remainder is equal to, put x equal to 1 over here. So 1 raised to the power 4 minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 plus 1. So 1 raised to the power 4 is 1. 1 square is 1 only, into minus 3 is minus 3, 2 into 1 is plus 2 plus 1. So minus 3 plus 3 got cancelled. We got to know at the end remainder is equal to 1. Now see, comparatively it's a very small method. If you will divide by the long division method, x raised to the power 4 minus 3x square and all that, so it will take some time. So it saves our time. It directly gives us the remainder as well, but only drawback is we don't get to know the coefficient. We don't get to know the quotient, right? So if you want quotient in the question, obviously go for long division. If only remainder is there, better to use remainder theorem. Alright, so for first one beta, we can clearly say remainder is 1, and if you will solve it for the second one, if you will solve the second question, for second question remainder will turn out to be 0. Same method. Alright, very easy. Next question, see what the next question is saying. What number should be added to 3x cube minus 5x square plus 6x so that when the resulting polynomial is divided by x minus 3, the remainder is 8. Okay, I want the remainder to be 8. I don't know what should be added. So I'll say, okay sir, let's say we need to add some number k. Alright, so I have added k in this. What I am doing beta? I am adding plus k in this, and now I can say if I add k in this, now I have told if I add k in this and then if I divide by x minus 3, I can say my remainder must be equal to 8. So let's take remainder 8 and find out the value of k. So step 1, x minus 3 equal to 0, we are going to get x equal to 3, and step 2, remainder will be equal to the value of this polynomial px, this one, this, let's say I have taken it as px. So value of this polynomial px at x equal to 3, and I know remainder is already equal to 8 according to my question. I want remainder to be 8. So p of 3 will be over here 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square plus 6 into 3 plus k equal to 8. 3 cube is 27, 27 3s are 81, 3 square is 9, 9 into minus 5 is minus 45, plus 6 3s are plus 18, plus k is equal to 8. So 81 minus 45 will be equal to 36. 36 plus 8 is 54. So 54 plus k is equal to 8. Shift 54 over there. K is equal to minus of 46. So what we should add in this polynomial to get the remainder as 8 is, we need to add minus of 46. Alright, so what I have done beta? Simple thing. I told, okay, let's say I have to add k, and then I will say remainder will become 8. So used remainder theorem by adding k and got the value of k as minus 46. How easy it is, right? Very easy question. One more question. Let's look at one more question. The next question is very good question, equally good question. What it is saying? Find a. Where is a? We'll see. Find a if the two polynomial. One polynomial is ax cube plus 3x square minus 9 and 2x square plus 4x plus a leave the same remainder when divided by x plus 3. So I got to know that if I divide the first polynomial, let's say this is polynomial px, and let's say this is a polynomial fx, f of x. These are my two polynomials. Both the polynomials, if I am dividing by x plus 3, I am getting remainder as 3. So let's start with our case 1. I am saying that if I divide this p of x by x plus 3, my remainder is, let's say, some number r. Remainder is some number r. Or let's say remainder is r1. Case 1 r1. Okay, remainder is r1. So step 1 beta, we all know x plus 3, I will make it equal to 0. I'll get x is equal to minus 3. Step 2, I can say remainder r1 will be value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 3, which is equal to a into minus 3 cube plus 3 into minus 3 square minus 9. So r1 is equal to minus 3 cube is minus 27. So minus 27a minus 3 square is 9. 9 3s is 27 minus 9. So r1 is equal to minus 27 plus 18a. Sorry, minus 27a plus 18. This is my first remainder r1. Alright. Similarly, beta, I can get the remainder for r2 as well. Similarly, I can get remainder in the second case also. So I can say r2, in that case f of x is divided by again x plus 3. So I know first case x is equal to minus 3. So I can say that, say in this case remainder r2 will be equal to value of f of x at x equal to minus 3. So it will be equal to 2 into minus 3 cube plus 4 into minus 3 plus a. This is equal to R2. So R2 is equal to minus 3 cube is again 27 into 2 is minus 54. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12 plus a. So finally we have got R2 is a minus 4 plus 2 6 minus 5 minus 6 is minus 66. This is my second equation. R1 I have got as minus 27 a plus 18. R2 I have got as my a minus 66. अब बेटा देखो, the most important thing over here, if you'll find out, is that they leave the same remainder. The main thing is same remainder. That means I can say R1 and R2 are equal. So let's make R1 and R2 equal. We know since it is same remainder, R1 is equal to R2. R1 is minus 27a plus 18. Minus 27a plus 18 is equal to a minus 54. Shift 18 over there, a over there. Alright. So or minus 27a shifted over here will become plus 27. So 28a is equal to 18 plus 54. 72. So a is equal to 72 by 28. Alright. So if I'll cancel, I think it will be cancelled. Eighteen times and 7 times. Let me see if I have made any calculation mistake anywhere. Okay, minus 27a plus 18 minus 66. Oh, it is minus 66 and I have written minus 54. I got to know. ठीक है. I have taken the value of R2 wrong. Value of R2 I have taken wrong. That is why. I was thinking why a is coming in fraction. ठीक है. Okay, so a minus 66 it is. Alright, it is a minus 66. So it will be 28a is equal to 8 plus 6, 14 power 1, 7, 8, 84. So a is equal to 84 by 28, which means it will be equal to what? 3 times. So a is equal to 3. Simple. Alright. So major thing over here was beta, we got to know they leave the same remainder. As soon as I learned same remainder, I thought it's very easy, right? Let's find out remainder in both the cases. First case I got remainder in terms of a. Second case also I got remainder in terms of a. Then I know same remainder, so let's make both the remainders equal. If the same remainder was not given, then I would not have been able to solve it. So that is very important to understand the keyword of any question. Whenever you are reading any problem, it is very important, guys, to understand the keywords, because that gives you the idea that how the following question will be solved. Alright, ठीक है. So this is how this question will be solved, and this thing you'll get with practice. And don't worry, guys, you know me, I'll tell you all these tricks ki try to pick the keywords of any question. Alright, now before I move ahead, I have one very important thing to discuss with all of you. As I've told you, like it is very important to find out the keywords in any question, which questions are important, which questions are not. So this guidance is very important for you for this journey which you will be doing, making this throughout this year. And for especially for those students who are in grade 10th, very important part of your life for this upcoming 3-4 years decides what you're going to do in your life academically. All right, so during this time it is very important to have a better, like have the best guidance over there. Now if you do not have any other kind of guidance, like your siblings, elder siblings, or your parents, anything, like guidance is most important thing. All right, you get it from anywhere, doesn't matter. Guidance is very important, who can guide you in this examination, that okay, this is will be important for you, this is not important, like this is, you can understand this in this way, there is a better way for solving this question. All right, this is all is very important. So if you need the guidance, and I would say the best source of guidance, most reliable source of guidance that you're going to get at Vedantu. And why I am saying so confidently about being reliable, because it gives you the guarantee, and that is the guarantee of your improvement. Yes, you heard me right, beta. When you join Vedantu's pro courses, you get the guaranteed improvement. Yes, you get the guarantee of your improvement. We say you join our course and we'll make sure you will definitely improve in your marks. So that is Vedantu Improvement Promise, VIP. With this guarantee, suppose if a student does not improve, in that case what will happen? So guys, it's as simple as that. Since it was a guarantee, and if you don't improve, take your whole course fee back. Yes, listen to me carefully. First time ever, like, someone is taking the responsibility of your studies, all right, and being a partner in your studies. It's not like I'm saying I'm selling you the dreams, you just join Vedantu and you'll improve. No, I want you to at least attend 75% of the classes and 75% of the test you need to complete. That is like, at least you need to be present in the class, right? That's what important. You cannot buy education, you have to be in the classes as well. But I am making sure you come to the classes, you'll start understanding the things which you might have never been done before, which maybe you were not interested in the subject, maybe you didn't find the subject interesting, but that thing will be gone. That's our promise, and that is why we'll say that our students are going to improve, and that's our guarantee. If you're not maintaining 75% attendance also, that means you're intentionally not coming to the class. Why 75 not 100? Because sometimes internet issue, some genuine reason may be there. So for that, we don't want ki students, now we don't have any guarantee. We do take this guarantee very seriously. That is by 75% of the classes if you attend and 75% of the test you attend, we give you your guarantee for improvement. Alright beta, now what are the features which you are going to get in this classes? So you will get unlimited classes, alright, students from the different parts of the world, interactive replays, test, quality test, assignments, notes, everything in one place. The most important thing which I want to discuss is doubt solving facility in the class as well. Now, whenever you'll go to your school or anywhere you're going, when the teacher is teaching, you're not supposed to ask your doubts. You'll be hearing these things, right? Don't ask the doubts now. At the end, I will see, huh? And that time also, it is not even possible at the end whether it will be possible or not. For that reason, the main thing which happens is, now suppose if you got at a doubt at the starting of the class, and if you wait till the end of the class, that doubt again will be going inside your head again and again and again, and you will not be able to again concentrate on the class. That is why in the Vedantu's classes, beta, in the classes, other than the master teacher, there will be dedicated 2 or 3 extra teachers who will be present in the class, and they will take care of your doubts. They'll be in live in the class, they'll be interacting with you. Whatever doubt you have got, just post the doubt and they will reply with it. So that gives the feeling of solving the doubts in the real time. You don't have to wait till the end of the class. Your doubts will be solved at the moment. And with this, we want to achieve the point where none of our students go with any doubt in their head. And that's why we have this class doubt solving facility with amazing class teachers. So they will make sure none of your doubts go unresolved. Other than that, you have micro courses, crash courses, so that you can study a topic as many times as you want, whenever you want, with the recordings. And with this also, beta, you can meet your favorite teacher also. If you are if you want to explore other teachers, if you want to learn from other teachers, you can do all that because you have unlimited classes as well. All right, so guys, all these features you are getting at a very reasonable price, less price, more classes. That's the motto. And you can register for the Vedantu Pro subscription by the link which is mentioned in the description box of this video, as well as in the pinned comment also. And the most important thing, yes, GPE Pro, this will be benefiting you with 10% off in the price, whatever you'll see over there. And the best thing is that will be the minimum price at which you'll be getting those courses. Let me quickly show you how this will work for you. All right. So suppose you go to this video, ICSE 10th video, or any video you can go, and in the description box, in the pinned comment, you can see over here, click on this link, or you can do one more thing, guys, that here description box you can open and register for Vedantu Pro subscription. You can click over this as well. Once you click on this, you go to this registration page. Now here you can see the button change. Click on this change and you can select your grade, select your board. All right, whatever it is. I have kept it class 10th ICSE. Then let's click on get started. Once we do, we have these three courses, right? Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. All of them comes with the different features, but let me be very clear on this. Classes will be same. The features vary on after class experience. Your classes, your assignments, notes, everything will be same for all the three courses. Only difference, Pro Lite is the most basic course. Whatever features I have told you, yes, they are coming in our most basic course as well. Okay? Then comes Pro Classic. So most basic course features are like live classes, test series, assignments, notes and doubt solving in the class through class teachers. Pro Classic has doubt solving on mobile app. So even after the class, you can ask your doubts on the mobile app. And Pro Plus has doubt solving on the mobile app plus the personal mentors. The personal mentor, you can think of them as your coach, guide, motivator, supporter. Any doubt you have, academic, non-academic, you can always rely upon them. If you don't want more information, just click on this and you'll be able to see the video explaining personal mentor, see the video explaining doubt solving during class. Everything will be explained. Just click on that link. Alright guys, and any question if I was not able to answer by now, you can just go to the bottom of this page and here you will find out frequently asked questions and you can see your question over here as well. Alright guys, so this was all about Vedantu's Pro subscription. Do register and join the classes and join the fun. And obviously it is coming with a guarantee, so you know at the end of the year you will definitely improve. Alright, let's move to the next part, that is our factor theorem. So now if you remember, we have done remainder theorem and that was very easy. Divisor must be a linear polynomial. What we'll do, step 1, divisor equal to 0. Whatever value of x we have got, find out the value of dividend at that value. Oh, I was about to drop my pen, but I am very lucky. Alright, chalo bhai, next thing. Factor theorem, nothing new, kuch nahi hi-fi nahi hai, nothing out of the space thing. Exactly remainder theorem. Only thing, what is the meaning of factor? Sir, meaning of factor is means when I divide, remainder must be 0. Meaning of factor is when I divide, the remainder must be 0. So if I have a polynomial px which is divided by x minus a, and if I find out that the remainder in this division is equal to 0, I can definitely say x minus a will be a factor. Yes or no? X minus a will be a factor. Simple, nothing else. That's what this theorem is saying. When a polynomial fx is divided by x minus a and the remainder, which is f of a, is equal to 0, then x minus a is the factor of the polynomial. Alright, but from here you learn one more important thing which we'll be discussing in the next session in the factorization. It will be helping us, but let me tell you right now. Suppose when I find out remainder beta, step 1 will be make x minus a equal to 0. You will get x equal to a, and since it will be a factor, your remainder will be equal to 0. That means p of a will be equal to 0. So if p of a becomes equal to 0, I can say x equal to a is a 0 of polynomial px, p of x. And I also know x minus a is a factor. So from here we can get the relation that if I get to know any one value, suppose x equal to a is a 0, how do I get the factor of that? Shift a over there, so x minus a will be a factor. Okay? This is the most important application of this factor theorem, which I'll tell you in the next class. So just giving you the idea so that you keep your mind prepared for the next class. Okay? But right now factor theorem very easy. If remainder comes 0, that given divisor is a factor of the polynomial p of x. Okay? Simple thing. Let's look at a question. Question dekh lo beta. Question is this. Show that x minus 2 is a factor of this. I'll do one, other you can do. So let me do the second one. So 3x plus 2. Make 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So if I do that, 3x plus 2 equal to 0, we get x equal to minus 2 by 3. Alright. And then I can say remainder will be equal to, let's say this is p of x, will be equal to value of this p of x at x equal to minus 2 by 3. Right? So let's write 3 into minus 2 by 3 whole square minus of minus 2 by 3 minus 2. So it will be minus 2 by 3 whole square. So it will be 4 by 9 into 3 will be 4 by 3. Negative into negative is positive. So plus 2 by 3 minus 2. 4 plus 2 by 3 is 6 by 3. 6 by 3 which is 2. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So I can say, sir, since remainder is equal to 0, we can say 3x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. Right? As simple as that. Remainder is 0. The divisor is a factor of dividend. So 3x plus 2 is a factor, nothing else. Alright, first one also you will find remainder 0. You'll say it is a factor, nothing else. Alright, easy question. Let's look at the next part. Next question, what it says, find the value of the constants a and b when x minus 2 and x plus 3 both are the factors of the expression x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 12. Now guys, if I know that x minus 2 and x plus 3 both are the factors, I can clearly say, let's say this is a polynomial p of x. I can clearly say that, sir, if I divide this p of x by x minus 2 or x plus 3, remainder must be 0. So let's find out the remainder. Alright, so very first thing beta I can say, sir, since px when divided by x minus 2, I can say definitely remainder will be equal to 0. And why can I say that? Because they are the factors. If they would not have given in the question ki these are the factors, I will not say that. Right, remainder can be anything in that case. But since it is given very clearly ki this x minus 2 and x plus 3 are factors, I am writing remainder equal to 0. Many students every time they'll write remainder equal to 0 only. Please guys remember, if you'll think before, when the last question we were solving, remainder was made like second last question, remainder was we wanted remainder to be 8. So I wrote remainder equal to 8. Here since it is a factor, that is why remainder equal to 0. This is a mistake, common mistake. Many times students have this misconfusion. That is why taking care of it. If you didn't have this confusion, well and fine, let's move ahead. Alright, so I will say remainder is equal to 0. Let's find it. So first thing, x minus 2 equal to 0. You will get x is equal to 2. Very well done. First step done. Then I can say, sir, remainder will be equal to value of this polynomial at x equal to 2 and which must be equal to 0. What is my polynomial, guys? It is x cube. So 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 minus 12 equal to 0. So we have got 8 plus 4a plus 2b minus 12 equal to 0. Shift minus 12, 8 over there. So we'll got 4a plus 2b is equal to minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4, which is equal to 4. Take 2 common, guys. So 2 common. We are left with 2a plus b is equal to 4. Shift 2 in division. 2a plus b is equal to 2. This is my equation 1. 2a plus b is equal to 2. First equation. Similarly, let us find out the second equation also. So in second case, again beta I know remainder again over here also will be equal to 0. Right? So I know x. What is the division this time? Division is by x plus 3. So this px is divided by x plus 3. Step 1. X plus 3 equal to 0. We got x equal to minus 3. So I can say the remainder will be equal to value of the polynomial at x equal to minus 3 and it should be equal to 0. So minus 3 cube plus a into minus 3 square plus b into minus 3 minus 12 is equal to 0. Minus 3 cube is minus 27 plus minus 3 square is 9. So 9a minus 3b minus 12 equal to 0. Minus 27 minus 12 shifted over there. So we'll get 9a minus 3b. Take 3 common. So 3a minus b. Sorry. Haji. 3a minus b. I have taken 3 common. And minus 27 minus 12. 7 plus 2 is 9 to 3. 39 plus 39. Shift 3 over there. 3a minus b is equal to 39 by 3 is 13. This is my second equation. So I have got two equations. 2a plus b equal to 2. 3a minus b equal to 13. Linear equation in two variables. What else I need? Yeah, nothing. Let's just add both the equations because b is common over there. So let's write second equation over here. 2a plus b is equal to, I think it was 2. Yeah, it is equal to 2. Let's add both. 5a is equal to 15. A is equal to 15 by 5, which is equal to 3. Put a equal to 3 in any of the equations. Suppose in the second equation, 2 into 3 is 6 plus b is equal to 2. Shift 6 over there. We'll say b is equal to minus 4. Done. B is equal to 3 2s are and minus 4. Yes, and here 3 3s are 9, minus 4 plus 13. Yep, satisfying both the equations. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 is my correct answer. What else I need? Yeah, nothing else. Right? Easy question. Once you get the hold of these theorems, now guys, the questions are going to be very easy every time. Remainder, you need to look at the remainder. Even in factor theorem, remainder is equal to 0. Now coming to our important question. The question of our day is this. What it is saying, guys. Now see, if you'll read this question now, you'll find it out easy because we have learned step by step how to reach to this question. See, x minus 2 is a factor. Let's first look at the keywords. X minus 2 is a factor. I know factor is a keyword for x minus 2. So x minus 2 is a factor of this expression. All right. And so first I got to know it is a factor. Second thing, when the expression is divided by x minus 3, when we do the division by x minus 3, the remainder is 52. Find the values of a and b. Ab beta dekho, I got to know my idea. In first case, x minus 2 is a factor. So in that case, the remainder is what? The remainder is equal to 0. And in second case, remainder is equal to 52. Let's solve for both. Alright. So case 1. X minus 2, when I divide this polynomial, let's say it is polynomial p of x. So when p of x is divided by x minus 2, I know, guys, for sure remainder will be equal to 0. So first thing what I'll do, make divisor equal to 0. You have got x equal to 2. Alright, x equal to 2. I can say now, sir, my remainder will be value of the polynomial p of 2. And it is equal to 0. So put 2 over here. So 2 into 2 cube. 2 cube is 8, 2 is 16. I'm writing directly. Plus 2 square is 4 into a is plus 4a. Plus 2 into b is plus 2b. And minus 14 equal to 0. So 4a plus 2b. And shift this 16 minus 14 is plus 2. Shift it over there, minus 2. Take 2 common. You'll get 2a plus b is equal to minus 1. Is equal to minus 1. This is my equation 1, minus 1. This is my equation 1. Similarly, guys, second equation, I can say division by x minus 3. Division by x minus 3, if I'll do, remainder is 52. So I can say, sir, step 2, p of x divided by x minus 3, remainder is equal to what? 52. So step 1, x minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 3. So remainder is equal to 52. And remainder will be equal to what? P of x at x equal to 3. Let's find it out at x equal to 3. So at x equal to 3, 3 cube is 27, 27 2s are 54. 3 square is 9 plus 9a plus 3b minus 14 is equal to 52. 54 minus 14 is equal to 40. Shift 40 over there, you'll get 12. So here take 3 common. 3a plus b is equal to 12. Shift it over there, we'll get 3a plus b is equal to 12 by 3, 4. This is my second equation. So I have got my first equation, I have got my second equation. First equation is 2a plus b upon is equal to minus 1. Let's write both the equation. Elimination method we can use, right? So let's write this equation also. 2a plus b is equal to minus 1. Alright, now to eliminate b, I can do one thing guys. I can do the subtraction over here. So if I will do the subtraction, minus sign, minus, minus, and this will become plus. The signs will change. B minus b got cancelled. 2a minus 3a minus 2a is a. 4 plus 1 is 5. So a is equal to 5. Put a equal to 5 in any of this, either in equation 1 or in equation 2. You will get b is equal to, suppose 2 into 5 is 10. 10 plus b is equal to minus 1. So b is equal to minus 11. Right? B is equal to what? Minus 11. Okay, beta. So this is how this question will be done. A is equal to 5. B is equal to minus 11. Easy question. Alright. So once we get the hold of the solutions, question becomes very easy. Alright, bacho. So now this is all in today's class. We are done with the remainder theorem and factor theorem. If you loved the session, maza aaya questions mein, please don't forget to like this video before you go. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel, because do it na yaar. Nice questions we are solving, right? You can do that. Also, this is your homework question guys, and as you all know, this is a star homework question. Those students who will give the correct answer for this in the comment section, I'll show their name in the next class. So what it is, find a if the two polynomials this and this leave the same remainder when divided by x plus 3. Think about it. Let me know what is the correct answer, what is the correct value of a. And before I go, I have already told you about the Vedantu Pro subscription. I have told you about Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus. Classes will be same for all three, so you can go for any one of them based on your after class experience, how much personalization you need. Now, don't think of these courses as a point where you'll only say get this courses for, let's say, key only for one time you are getting, or syllabus will be done only for one time. No, it's nothing like that guys. You can make sure key with this you are getting unlimited live classes and unlimited micro courses, so you can complete your syllabus as many times as you want. Alright, and here I have shown you the prices as well. Alright, all the three have different prices. If you want to try it for 1 month, go for anywhere here. You can try Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Plus, anything for 1 month. Once you are satisfied, go for buy complete course. Now there may be some students out there who may think, sir, I cannot pay all this all together. So don't worry guys, for you EMI option is also available. So you can pay in EMIs as well. And suppose if even that is also not possible, don't worry guys, we are trying our best at YouTube also, so you can enjoy here as well. Okay, for every student there is something. Alright bacho, so this is all, and I have given you Vedantu improvement promise also. So at YouTube VIP promise is not present, but in Vedantu's subscription courses definitely you'll get guaranteed improvement, and if you don't improve, take the whole course fee back. Alright guys, so batches are starting very soon, and I would like to request all of you that please don't wait till the batches start. Alright, what you should do is, better you start the course now, only you take the course now, because now with the day the batches start, in between that also micro courses are there. We'll do your revision, we'll do the revision of the previous classes, which is very important. So many activities are over here, you'll never feel bored. So take the subscription as soon as possible. Don't wait for the batch starting date. Till that time you can be comfortable with your teachers through micro courses. Alright guys, so thank you so much for coming to the class. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.